Follow requests not shown on Instagram app in less than 1 minute. Fix it. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy and simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then scroll, go to the apps manager like this, and then open the apps. And now on this page, as you can see, we'll find all the apps. Go to the search bar, search for Instagram like this, and now this is the app informations. As you can see, click on the notifications management. Make sure that all the notifications are enabled, especially the direct notifications. From here, make sure that this option is enabled, Instagram Direct, and after that, go back and click on this force stop, click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again to the home page, open the Play Store, search for Instagram and update it. Now, last thing you want to do is turn off your phone and turn it on. Don't forget to like, subscribe.